Hello, Wise Owl.
Oh hello, I have a new puzzle for you, so I called you.
I left for here as soon as I could.
So are you ready to solve the puzzle?
Yes, can't wait to solve it.
Okay, so the puzzle goes like this. I have opened a Google Sheet and entered 1 to 50 numbers in column A. 1 and 50 are also included, but these are in jumbled form, not entered sequentially. In a hurry, I have missed one number. You cannot sort the numbers in column A. Can you give me a formula in cell B1 to get the missing number?
Let me think about how to solve this. The Wise Owl has entered numbers from 1 to 50 in column A in a Google Sheet. But the numbers are not entered sequentially. The Wise Owl has missed one number. We cannot sort column A to get the numbers sequentially. We need to write a formula in cell B1 which gives the missing number. Can I get to know something if I take the sum of the numbers entered in column A? We know that the formula for the sum of numbers from 1 to n is n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. So, the sum of numbers from 1 to 50 is 50 multiplied by 50 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 1275, since 1275 equals sum of numbers entered in column A plus missing number. If we subtract the sum of the numbers entered in column A from 1275, we should get the missing number. Okay, I got the answer. Let's ask the Wise Owl. I think I got the answer.
Okay, let's hear it.
I thought if we can sum the numbers entered in column A, since we know the sum of numbers from 1 to 50 is 50, multiplied by 50 plus 1, divided by 2, equal to 1275. We also know that 1275 equals sum of numbers entered in column A plus missing number. If we subtract the sum of the numbers entered in column A from 1275, we will get the missing number. In cell B1 we can write equal to 1275 minus sum A1 to A50. Thus, we can find the missing number. Am I correct?
Yes, you are correct. Here's your reward.
Oh, thank you.